In this video, you will allow remote users to access the corporate network using an IPsec VPN that they connect to with FortiClient. The remote user's internet traffic will also be routed through and secured by the Fortigate. This tutorial uses FortiClient version 5.4.2, build 523 on a Mac OS X. Go to User and Device, User Definition, and create a local user, in this case the VPN user. Then go to User and Device, User Groups, and create a user group for IPsec VPN users. Add the new user to the account, and select OK. Next, go to VPN, IPsec Wizard. Enter a name. Note that the tunnel name must not have any spaces in it, and it should not exceed more than 13 characters. Set template type to Remote Access, and set Remote Device Type to FortiClient VPN for OS X, Windows, and Android. Set incoming interface to the internet-facing interface, and authentication method to pre-shared key. Enter a pre-shared key, and assign the new user group. Set local interface to internal, and set local address to all. Enter a client address range, and make sure that Enable IPv4 Split Tunnel is not enabled, so that all traffic will go through the Fortigate. Set optional client options, and select Create. A summary page will show the objects created by the wizard. Notice the FortiClient VPN setup instructions. Feel free to follow this link for future reference. In creating the VPN, the IPsec VPN wizard also created a security policy allowing IPsec VPN users to access the internal network. However, since split tunneling is disabled, another policy must be created to allow users to access the internet through the Fortigate. Go to Policy and Objects, IPv4 Policy, and create a new policy. Enter a name, set incoming interface to the tunnel interface, outgoing interface to the internet-facing interface, and source to the IPsec client address range. Set destination address to all, service to all, and enable NAT. Configure any required security options, and select OK. In FortiClient, go to Remote Access and add a new connection. Set VPN type to IPsec VPN, enter a connection name, and enter the FortiGate's IP address in the Remote Gateway field. Set authentication method to pre-shared key, and enter the same pre-shared key defined in the VPN wizard earlier. Enter the user's name, and select Add. In FortiClient, select the VPN, enter the user's credentials, and select Connect. The VPN is now connected, with the Fortigate having assigned the user an IP address, and showing the connection's duration and bytes sent and received. Back on the Fortigate, go to Monitor, IPsec Monitor, where you can verify the VPN status and the user's assigned gateway IP address. You can also go to FortiClient Monitor to see the user's device and assigned client IP address. Now go to FortiView, Policies. Right-click on the policy and select Drill Down to Details to see more traffic information under the tabs available. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, click here to subscribe. You can also find a written recipe of this video at cookbook.fortinet.com.